Hello everybody. Today we concern with culture media. So in simple way, culture means to grow or multiply. Media means food. The food that helps to grow the organism is simply called culture media. So media is plural form, whereas medium is singular form. The term culture media, when it is applied in bacteriology, it will be called bacterial culture media. Similarly, when applied in parasitology, it will be called parasitic culture media. Similarly, in mycology, it will be called fungal culture media. But the same term not applied in virology, we cannot say viral culture media, because virus is a cellular organism that cannot grow on cell-free medium, or we can also say in animate medium. So there will be used a term called cell lines. Okay, so today we completely discussing about bacterial culture media. So not confused about fungal, parasitic culture media or cell lines. Okay, this media we will discuss in next tutorial. Okay, so let's go about bacterial culture media. So culture media are required to grow the organism. The basic constituents of culture media are water, source of hydrogen and oxygen, electrolyte, that is sodium chloride. Similarly, peptone, it contains proteases, amino acids, polypeptides, phosphatase, minerals like potassium, magnesium and accessory growth factors like nicotinic acid and riboflavin. Similarly, meat extract, it contains protein degradation products, inorganic salts, carbohydrates and growth factors. Blood or serum, because some organisms are not able to grow in basal media. For example, Streptococcus need blood, so we provide for such organism blood agar. Similarly, serum for Corynebacterium diphtheria. Now about agar. It maintains the physical state of the solid medium. So we can say it has capacity that is called gellifying capacity. It is seaweed, long chain polysaccharide, neutral, also called algae, botanical name Geladium species. In solid media, concentration 2 to 3%. Melts at 98 degrees Celsius while solidifies at 42 degrees Celsius. According to the country responsible for production, name is given like New Zealand agar, Japanese agar, Hyderabad agar, which is the city in India named Hyderabad agar. So New Zealand agar has twice the jellyfying capacity than that of Japanese agar. So no doubt we can say New Zealand agar is the best than other agars. Types of medium based on physical state. Liquid medium, semi-solid medium, solid medium. So liquid medium, there is no need of agar. In semi-solid medium, normally 0.2 to 0.4% agar, while in solid media greater and equal than 1.5, responsible for solid media. On the basis of presence of molecular oxygen and reducing substances in the media, aerobic media, anaerobic media. So all the media here we are discussing are aerobic media except Robertson cooked meat medium, thioglycolate broth medium. These two media are applied for cultivation for anaerobic bacteria like Clostridium, Bifidobacterium, Propionibacterium, and so on. Based on nutritional factors, simple media, complex media, synthetic media, and special media having special ingredients and features. Okay, so talk from simple media. Simple media example: nutrient agar, simplest and routinely employed media in the laboratory for diagnostic purposes. But we cannot ignore peptone water. It is still simple media, but it is in liquid form. Okay. Now about complex media. All the media other than simple media are complex, very simple. We haven't think more about that. Similarly about synthetic media, prepared from pure chemicals and exact composition of the medium is known. For example, Dubose medium with twin 80. A special media having a special ingredient or a special features. So here you can see enriched media. So basal media having addition of blood, serum or egg, simply the media are called enriched media. So blood agar, Streptococcus, low-flood serum slough for Corynebacterium diphtheria, because these organisms are not able to grow on basal media or simple media. That's why these ingredients are required for their growth. Similarly about enrichment media. So it is fluid type of selective media. You can say in a sentence, tetracyanate broth, selenite broth are the example of enrichment media. So tetracyanate or selenite, which inhibit the coliform. As you know, the coliform is Escherichia coli, Klebsiella, Enterobacter, Citrobacter. They are lactose fermenters, while allow typhoid, paratyphoid bacilli to grow. Selective media. So selective media are solid in contrast to enrichment media, which are liquid. So enrichment media are liquid type of selective, while selective media are always in solid. For example, deoxycholate citrate agar, in brief DCA. Deoxycholate act as a selective agent because this is bile salt for enteric bacilli like Salmonella, Shigella. Bile salt agar, in brief BSA. So bile salt selective agent favors the growth of only Vibrio chlori, whereas inhibits the growth of other intestinal organisms. So 3 points we should be noted about selective media, that is inhibit the competitors or favor the selective agent or both. Features occurring in selective media. Differential media, McConkey broth. So lactase fermenter pink in color, whereas non-lactase fermenter cone is colorless or pale. Very simple. Now about indicator media. So media containing an indicator. For example, Wilson and Blair medium, black colonies of Salmonella enterica serotype typhi as an indicator. Sulfite, here you can see. Similarly, in McConkey medium, pink colonies of Escherichia coli is due to indicator neutral red. Very simple. Now about transport media. So one thing we should remember about the transport media only maintains viability. So features used for delicate organisms, for example gonococci, which may not survive the time taken for the transit or may be overgrown by non-pathogenic bacteria. For example, or example gratia, Vibrio cholerae. Stuart transport medium, gel containing or reducing agent to prevent the oxidation, whereas charcoal to neutralize the bacterial inhibitors for gonococci. Buffered glycerol saline transport is also transport media for enteric bacilli. Now about sugar meat. Sugar media help in identification of bacteria. Example gratia, his serum sugar for pneumococcus. So before saying thank you, I am going to say the simplest way of understanding culture media. Don't quit, okay? So let's know how to remember the media in a very simple way. Here you can see it's the liquid media. So here peptone water contains water, electrolyte, peptone. As a base peptone water, when added meat extract, it becomes nutrient broth. After addition of glucose, it becomes glucose broth. After addition of cooked meat, it becomes Robertson cooked meat. Very simple to understand. Okay. So here you can see alkaline peptone water and salinity of broth. The basic medium for these two media are peptone water. So here you can see just increasing the pH, peptone water becomes alkaline peptone water. Very simple. Similarly, just adding sodium selenite, it becomes salinity of broth. Similarly, for thioglycolate broth and tetrathionate broth, the basic medium is nutrient broth. The thioglycolate broth, add sodium thioglycolate, extra ingredient is sodium selenite. It becomes thioglycolate broth. Similarly about tetrathionate broth. So tetra means 4. We have to ingredient to remember. So remember, 1 is nutrient broth and 3 is this sodium thioglycolate, second calcium carbonate, third, and iodine solution 4 to remember tetrathionate broth ingredient. Okay, so in this way we can remember the media, isn't it? So let's know about solid media in the same way. Solid media, the simplest medium is peptone water. After addition of meat extract, it becomes nutrient broth. After addition of agar, it becomes nutrient agar. After addition of blood, it becomes blood agar. When it is heated 75 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, it becomes chocolate agar. So here TCBS and McConkey agar, the basal media is peptone water. So just remember the TCBS. It stands for thiosulfate. Here is the sodium thiosulfate. Citrate, here you can see sodium citrate. Bile salt, here is the bile salt. Then sucrose, sucrose. Agar, then add in peptone water agar. So this is the TCBS agar. Sodium thiosulfate, citrate, bile salt, sucrose agar. In this way you can remember. Okay. Similarly, in McConkey agar, how to remember this? As you know, the McConkey agar is selective, differential, and indicator too. So the basal media is peptone water. Just add according to the properties. So here you can see selectivity. So the selective agent is bile salt. Similarly, it is
lactose as a differential agent.
Similarly, it is indicator. So neutral lead is indicator, and agar. So add agar. Okay. So now about Loeffler serum slope and Dorset-Egg medium. The basal medium is nutrient broth. So according to the name Loeffler serum slope, just add serum, and after addition of glucose it becomes Loeffler serum slope. So it is required for Corynebacterium diphtheria. Okay. So now about Dorset-Egg medium. Just add hen egg, it becomes Dorset-Egg medium. Very simple, isn't it? Now about bile salt agar and deoxycholate citrate agar. The basal medium is nutrient agar. So just after addition of sodium taurocholate according to the bile salt agar and slightly increase the pH up to 8.2, it becomes bile salt agar. This is selective for Vibrio chloride. Similarly, deoxycholate citrate agar. So basal medium is nutrient agar. So deoxycholate, that is a bile salt, add sodium deoxycholate, then citrate, add sodium citrate, and then lactose and neutral lead indicator. And this DCA is required for enteric bacilli. Okay. So in this way we can remember the media in simple way. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So please never forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also turn notification to get the video first. Thank you. Have a nice day.